Although I haven't quite figured out life yet, I know there's two things I love to do. I know I like to create, and I know I like to travel. I've been making videos since I was 13 years old, and it's always just been for fun. And for the past 2 months, I've been traveling non-stop around South America with my best friend. I mean, we've road tripped Peru, learned how to ride a bike in Ecuador, surfed secluded islands in Panama, met amazing people, but for some reason I haven't created anything. I tried to, but I keep hitting the delete button. And honestly, this kind of ruined my motivation to create anything. So I decided to take a week off and concentrate on completely different things. I called it Inspirational Rehab Week.
Because this is the most dangerous one? Or
Yeah, probably it's one of the most.
Okay, cool. Muy bueno.
For day one, we met up with former pro downhill rider Mauricio. And when he found out we were filming, he decided to take us to a track he had built himself here in Bolivia. It's basically a single track on the ridge of a mountain with cliffs on both sides. His advice was don't fall.
I saw that you ride very well.
Yeah?
Okay.
What? Det är ganska safe, jag spänte ganska hårt. Ja, det gjorde det. Let's do this. Yeah. Let's do this.
Bolivia.
Yeah. Alpaca.
When you've been away from home for a while, you start to miss some things.
You like alpacas, bro?
Like your mom's cooked meals, your mom doing the laundry, your bed, free food, yeah, you get the point. Although we did miss all that, we also missed the snow. And because of the temperature increase here in Bolivia, finding snow is pretty limited and it's not the easiest to get to.
Alright, so we've punctured the tire. Oh no. Oh bueno. That's what's in the tire. What?
Yes.
We don't look like the dopest snowboarders you've ever seen. That I don't know what. Tool looks like he's come right straight from the 80s. I don't know if he's going to disco or snowboarding, but we're going snowboarding anyway. Vámonos. Alright, we just reached the snow. We're about 5,000 meters above sea level. The altitude is just, it's kind of tiring. Nei, ikke det same. Det sånn, det har vært sånn inhale sånn du bare får akkurat nok, men du får ikke nok heller. Yeah. I'm so tired right now. It's all good, I found some ice cream. Hailing now. Oh man, I don't think you guys understand how tired we are right now. What we gotta do, what we gotta do. Let's do this. Woo! Yeah. Holding it back flip. It's finally time for the fun part. The part we did all of this for, the final run down. Get hype, bro. Come on, let's go. Oh yeah, we in the mountains, we're in the roof. Yeah, bro, get hype, bro. Do this, okay? Back for the boys, bro. Oh my god! Send it! Woo! Yes! Woo! Ah! Woo! Yeah, boy! Oh, we just snowboarded Bolivia! Yeah! Oh. Sick! Oh. Okay. All that time for this, but it's worth it. It's worth it for sure.
I go that in Santa Cruz.
Oh.
It was very nice.
Yeah, it's cool.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, good morning. Day 3 in Bolivia. We are starting it off at Mauricio's workshop. He is a pro downhill rider, and he has invited us to do urban downhill today, which me and Tov have never done, but that's what this week is all about.
Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to my home, and I will show you a tour of this place.
Yes.
Yeah, perfect.
How many?
All right.
That was the urban ride here.
Oh, the one you made?
Very easy. I built the track for them.
Crazy.
Yeah.
The Red Book track.
Yes.
Wow. So this is his view of La Paz City, and that's where we were riding yesterday, and we're going up there today. Let's roll. Now we're in a forest track, so out of the urban, the spiritual forest. All right, let's do this. Let's go. Woo!
Just like that, the last day of the week was here. Looking back, this week was a reminder of why I do this and how it all started. Tov and I were just two kids that picked up a camera to film the fun stuff we did. Fast forward 7 years later and you find us in Bolivia doing exactly the same thing.
Let's go! Whoa! That's so sick, bro! Come on, bro! Dude, that was crazy! I hope I got that.
This week was a reminder that I don't do this because I have to, but because I want
to. Yeah, boy! Nice! Feeling hype, go do it, bruh.
I'm just gonna chill with a backflip, like just lay it out.
Lay it out, bruh.
For the boys.
For the boys, do it for the boys, man.
All the boys up here on the podium.
For sure.
It's for you guys.
Oh! Tov!